We're gonna show you some new leather that we got in. This is marigold. So we're gonna see what this looks like.
Ooh.
Interesting.
It's bright.
Whoop. Yeah, there you go. Right here.
Looks good.
Interesting. This is cool. It's gonna be like a lighter Mojave.
It is, man. It's really light when you pull it up.
Yeah. Interesting. We'll see how this turns out.
Ooh.
Okay, here we have the burnt orange. Yeah, okay, interesting.
I like this one. It's more red.
Yeah, definitely got some red in it. But it's gonna lighten up quite a bit. This one, this is a vibe. Nate, what do you think?
My favorite color.
Really? Okay, he said it's his favorite color. All right, well, that's one of our cutters, so that's pretty high praise. Okay. Yeah, we'll see what this looks like. This is going to be another one. We'll really see how it changes during the production process. Yeah, I think it'll quiet down a little bit, but we'll see. We'll see what this looks like. These are just, I don't know, these are really nice leathers. Obviously kind of a classic profile here. You'll see this on some of the other, some other brands, but not in the kind of Wickett and Craig double stuff. You see this really nice pull up here, so you've got a lot of tonal variation here. A little less, but still quite a bit present here on the burnt orange. This was an orange leather that we've darkened with the double stuffing process. Definitely a little more noticeable, but I think they're still both kind of in that palette of what you would kind of expect to see on boots. The reasoning behind this, so back in 2013, we really started to make basically non-work boots. This is one of the first pairs of Travelers that we ever made. I've had it resoled into a unit lug sole, but this was originally on the Christie. This is the original tobacco leather we used to work with. The current tobacco from Seidel is a great leather, but it just doesn't have the same tone to it. This has got a nice orange. These are, again, over 10 years old, so they've seen quite a bit of wear. But they looked a lot closer to this when they first arrived. So this was really what we were going for. We tried it with a couple different things. The Mojave was an attempt at that. A beautiful leather, turned out really nice, but just not quite that same tone. I think this is really, I think we got it. So this is really going to be our tobacco leather and the Wickett and Craig double stuffed. And this was really the inspiration. So this 11, 12-year-old boot, I think this is going to be an awesome patina opportunity for somebody. So this is the Sienna, and this is the tobacco. Sienna, of course, the city, kind of a terracotta vibe to it. Yeah, I think this one looks really nice. Love this one too. But they both turned out really awesome. We are doing a MocToe in a limited run on this leather specifically. So one issue we have with doing MocToes on the Wickett and Craigs is that, as we put this stitch in, when we go to last it, it basically can loosen or weaken the join here, and it'll split. It never affects like a customer boot because we see the issue before it happens. It happens in the production process. With this leather though, it seems like it might be more amenable to that. So we're going to give it a shot and actually put some data behind it and be like, okay, we made 20 boots. This is how many vamps, were busted. Because it could be something we could do and just, factor into the price. But this thing, I think, it's just such a classic silhouette, with the MocToe on it. So we're going to give it a shot and, see what that looks like on a limited run basis. Super excited to see this leather coming. We've been chasing this for probably over a year, and I think we finally got it. But I think this is just a really core color that, I think people should really love to have on their feet. It's beautiful. Guys, thanks for joining. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Happy to talk more about double stuffed leathers or anything. But thanks for listening. Signing off. See ya.